Hey, what's up, YouTube friends in the modeling universe? I got a shop card today, and you guys know how I like to handle those shop cards. I like to get to them right away so I don't forget. I also picked up a couple stash ads yesterday. I got a mail call. I got those decals that I was telling you about, and I'd like to share them with you. And we'll do a general bench update and let you know where I'm at on certain builds. So if you want to see that, stick around. Today's shop card shout out goes to Mars Garage. Mars and I did a shop card swap. I sent him one of mine, he sent me one of his, and this is an awesome shop card, guys. And Mars, if you hand drew this, let me know. This is pretty awesome artwork, my friend. So guys, if you've never been over to Mars' channel, you should check him out. He's got some great builds, some great tutorials on rusting and weathering, which are really cool. You need to go check that out. Mars, thanks for the shop card, my friend. Thank you for the kind words on the back. Guys, as usual, link will be in the description. Go check him out. He's also participating in our under 1,000 group build, so check out those videos as well. Sit this back here so we can look at it. Alright guys, so like I said, I got a mail call as well. So I got those decals. I want to show you what I got, what I picked up. And yeah. So the first ones I want to show you are those decals I was telling you about that I ordered with the fire bottle label, nitrous oxide systems, NX, MSD boxes, and a slew of other things. Now I'll be using that fire bottle label on the fire bottle for the NASCAR group build kit, and I'm sure these decals will end up on other builds at another time. So always good to have these. The next set of decals I got is from GoPro Racing, and I picked up the pinstriping. And with the general theme of things lately and Rusty Rockers, Model Club and stuff like that, those builds going on, these couldn't have been here at a better time. So those are cool too. Next ones I picked up were bought specifically for the gasser. These come from Slicks Decals, and you got the gold sheen to them and silver sheen to these. And I haven't made a decision whether I'm going to use Nice and Nasty or Bad Company. Most likely Bad Company, but either one would be pretty cool. So they're going to make their way onto the gasser. Is it a latch and link seatbelt system that I bought for the NASCAR kit? Now I misunderstood my ordering because I thought this one was going to come with the ribbon, but that's okay. I've got 1/16 ribbon over there in the modeling box. You know, unfortunately it's white, so I'm going to have to color it, which isn't really a big deal when you have a slew of Sharpies. But yeah, should be pretty cool. Alright, and as I mentioned, I picked up some stash ads. So the first stash ad is the 32 Ford Roadster. I want to call it the Roadster because that's where it came from, but yeah, I finally pulled the trigger on this one. I've been waiting on it for quite a while, and you know, I finally said, you know what, the hell with it, just grab it. It's the right time. So like I said, with the theme of things lately and Rusty Rockers, Model Club and stuff like that, I decided I was going to pick this up. The next one is a little bit older, but a cool kit nonetheless. It's a 1996 issue, and it's this monogram 33 Ford Street Rod. Funny thing about this kit, I was talking to Mike last night, and I told him I was going to use it for the scale build of Gentleman hosted by Styrene Relics. And Mike about fell out of his chair. He's like, "You're not going to chop that up?" And I was like, "Yes, I am," you know, joking with him. But no, I won't be chopping this one up. This one's going to be built just like that, and I've got something else in mind. It's another Ford coupe, but it's something entirely different for the scale build of Gentleman. So, and as far as a general bench update, I think you guys saw the short last night. I've been working on the garage dio. You know, I've been collecting parts and pieces for garage dio for a couple of years now, and my wife bought me the Tip Top Shop kit for Christmas, and I decided last night I was going to start putting some stuff together. Got a few more things to put together, and obviously I've got to paint everything up. I got to put the figures together, but it's coming along nicely. So I'm going to be doing a series on that. It's going to be just specifically, when I do those videos, it's just going to be specifically Time Machine Scale Model Garage, and you can watch the buildup of the model shop, so to speak, the garage.io. Like I said, stay tuned for that. So, getting kind of burnt out. I put the NASCAR build on hold for a week or two. You already know that. I told you that in the last video, I think. I put the gasser build on hold for a minute. I should have painted that up by now. I've stripped that twice now. It's just giving me a really hard time. Things just are not going the way that I want them to go. So I've had to strip that twice. So I should paint it by the end of the week, the weekend the latest, and start getting that ready to go. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing a Rusty Rockers MCC build. And this shouldn't take me all that long. It's a straightforward kit, and I'm just going to do a basic old school hot rod. And hopefully this will tide me over until Paul, Styrene Relics, starts the Scale Builds of Gentlemen on the 11th. And then we're going to do another something or other old school hot rod. So yep, be watching for updates on this one. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much all I got. Please go over there and check out Mars Garage. Tell him I sent you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.